If you know how to keep money in your pocket and sex in your body, then you would live your life well. You got both these things into your head, now you can't live well. Everything beautiful about you will be taken away once money and sex enters your head, isn't it? These are two things right now in the world which is taking almost 95% of human energy. Money and sex. Even 95 is a conservative estimate, almost 100%. What's unhealthy about money? Money is just a means, isn't it? Man is not obsessed with money. Man is obsessed with what money can buy. It is the empowerment that the money brings, which people want. The excess and the freedom that it gives you with the physical world. So, money is not the thing. Money as a means, yes. So is something wrong with money? What's wrong? We created it, isn't it? Otherwise we could have still continued our transaction in barter system. Because our transactions got complicated, barter became too tricky. We created currency. Currency became too tricky, so we created a card. So, it is just a means. Nothing right or wrong about it. If money is in your pocket, it makes your life easy and comfortable. You're sitting here today thinking of inner development and things. Because you got little money in your pocket, today you can sit here no matter it's raining. If it floods, it's okay, we'll stay in the hotel. Because there's little money in your pocket, this much freedom, isn't it so? So nothing wrong with money. Money in your pocket is good if it stays in the pocket. If it enters your head, it becomes a perversion. For most people, it's entered their head. If you have enough money that you don't have to work for your living tomorrow, you can just take off 1 month and just meditate, isn't it? Which the man who is struggling for money for tomorrow's food cannot do, even if he wishes to do. So money has become a problem because you don't know where to keep it. Keep it in your pocket. It's a good thing. You must keep everything in its place. Similarly, if sex is in your body, it is nice. But if it enters your head, it becomes a perversion. It's gotten into people's heads. It's not in their body, it's gotten into their heads. This is a disease. Once money and sex enters your head, it will rule you from inside and destroy you in many different ways. Now, these two things, if they fall into their natural places, where they should be, they are not a problem. They are fine, they have their own beauty attached to it. But if you exaggerate it in your mind, then everything becomes ugly.